3 best ways to make money online as a creator on TikTok. And we're gonna start right now. What's up everyone, this is Refaat Abohassan. This channel is all about online entrepreneurship, making money online and generating passive income. So if this is the first time for you on my channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. TikTok is a hardcore social media app that is on the top of the list with more than 800 million monthly active users. With this huge number of people, many creators are leveraging this platform to make money. But how really can these people make money on TikTok? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you my best 3 methods of making money on TikTok. Number 1 is live streaming and collecting coins. Coins are basically in-app currencies that is paid with real money. You can earn TikTok coins through going live and collecting donations from your followers. And the idea here, you guys, is that TikTok users add coins to their favorite creator. First, users need to add coins to their TikTok account by pressing on the 3 dots on the top right-hand corner, and then press on balance to check for the coins that we have. And as you can see here, I don't have any coins here. So I need to buy some coins, and there are several options of coins that you can choose from. If we would go for 65 coins, that would be costing about 3.99. That's in my local currency, but it would be 99 cents, you guys. So then I press recharge, and this will promote me to go and buy the 65 coins from my Apple account. So now I have 65 coins into my TikTok account. So when you as a creator go live on TikTok, and by the way, if you don't know, you can have this going live option when you only have 1,000 followers. So when you go live, people watching you donate these coins as a support or as a way of saying thank you for the content that you're sharing with them. And you can convert these coins into diamonds as rewards. And once your rewards reach 1,000 diamonds, you can turn them into cash via PayPal. So you can get your money directly into your PayPal account. As of the time of recording this video, guys, 10,000 diamonds equal $50. So this can change in the future, I don't know. But as of today, 10,000 diamonds equal $50. Number 2 is growing and selling accounts. This method is really popular if you are in the product or e-commerce space, but it will also work if you have a brand name channel and it would be of a specific niche, like channels that show strange Google Earth images, compilations or funny videos, famous travels, destinations. All these channels are considered brandable channels that can grow, and you can fortunately sell after having a significant amount of followers. So ideally, you guys, you would create contents that go viral so you can attract marketers who are interested in buying your account for the content and the followers that you have. This strategy, you guys, is really popular on Instagram and Twitter, where people build a niche-based account and sell them after growing a huge amount of followers. And the final way of making money on TikTok is through running affiliate links. This is actually a great way to leverage TikTok traffic, and it works perfectly on niche-based channels. For example, if you are on the money-making niche, you can make clips that show people how they can make money online through multiple platforms. You can put clips on hints and tips on how they can make money online. And at the end of the video, you would give a call to action for those people to click on a link in your channel, which will drive them to what we call a squeeze page, which is basically a page where you can collect their emails so that you can be in touch with them and contact them. And then they will be driven to what is called a bridge page, where you would introduce them to the affiliate product that you mentioned in your clip. For example, you guys, in my case, I have my affiliate link on a program that teach people how to start a profitable online business. By the way, you can find this link, the first thing in the description below. So after clicking that link, you will be directed to a squeeze page to put your email, and then into a bridge page where I basically brief you on the program before you are sent to the actual program page. And as I said before, this method is really powerful because you're basically leveraging a huge amount of followers who are watching your clip and creating a higher chance for them to click on the link and make sales, and then you make commissions from these sales. And there are two things actually with this method you need to consider, you guys. The first is that you need at least 1,000 followers to have your affiliate link activated. And the second is that you need to be consistent in uploading clips that is related to your channel. So as far as you have these into consideration, you can successfully apply this method and start making money. These are my best 3 methods of making money on TikTok, you guys. And as I promised, I will leave my ebook on the 7 most common online business models in the description below. So that would be the second link in the description below, I believe. There you go, guys. These are my best 3 ways of making money on TikTok. I hope that you liked the video and get a lot of value from. If you did, please hit that thumbs up because it really helped the video to reach more people, and share the video with others so that they can have the same benefit as you did. This is Refaat Abohassan, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.